What is the double entries for expenses? Debit, expenses. And credit, cash or bank. Let's see in more detail. What is expenses in accounting? An expense in accounting is the money spent, or costs incurred, by a business in their effort to generate revenues. What are the types of expenses? 1. Cost of goods sold. 2. Operating expenses. 3. Financial expenses. 4. Non-operating expenses. Cost of goods sold is the costs of purchases raw materials and process them into finished products. Operating expenses is the costs related to selling goods and services and include sales salaries, advertising, and rental. Financial costs are incurred from borrowing from lenders or creditors. They are expenses outside the company's core business. Examples include loan origination fees and interest on money borrowed. Non-operating expenses costs that cannot be linked back to operating revenues. Interest expense is the most common non-operating expense. Interest is the cost of borrowing money. Loans from banks usually require interest payments, but such payments don't generate any operating income. Hence, they are classified as non-operating expenses. Now let's check on categories of business expenses. Operating versus non-operating expenses. Operating expenses refer to expenditure relating to the principal activities of your business, such as the cost of the materials used to make a product you sell. But non-operating expenses are those not directly related to the operations involved in business. This might be the interest on a business loan. Now see categories: fixed versus variable expenses. Fixed expenses do not depend on the number of units you sell. For example, rent, which will remain the same no matter the activity level of your business. Variable expenses, however, are those which directly depend on how much a company is selling. For example, employee wages, which may increase should they be required to work more hours. How about deductible versus non-deductible expenses? Deductible expenses are expenses which a business can deduct from its income before taxation. Non-deductible expenses are ones which cannot be subtracted from income. Hope this video helped you to get clear explanation on expenses in accounting. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorial videos.